at the front, and we are about to begin working on the window boxes. So my mom and my gamer here, y'all already know they come help me. My dad is out here too. This year I really want to focus on pink and purple, cottagey looking flowers. That's the whole vibe. A little bit of red, but not too much. Just really that pink, purple, and the dark blue is my vibe for spring this year and for summer. So I have a lot of different varieties, and as always, we're gonna repeat the same design in every single box. So I'm gonna give y'all up close of all the flowers we have, and then we're gonna get to planting. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys kind of like the color scheme again, and also the pattern. No pattern is a rhyme or reason. I just stuck everything right here for now. So we have this plant. It is called a bacopa. She has really pretty like white florals on her. Then I have this one. This is our red, pop of red dianthus, perhaps. Got that one from Lowe's. This one right here is so pretty. I love all the whimsical purple blooms. This one is called a blue moon phlox. This came from Lowe's. And then y'all, I got some petunias. These are actually doing good. I need to get some more of these. These are only $1.98 from, these are petunias, right? Yeah, from Lowe's. And I got a trailer. I thought this was called something different, but this one I'm taking back because y'all, it's doing so terribly. But this one is called, it says stock, upright annual full sun. And then finally, we have this right here. She is doing so good. She's so pretty. She's called a Latanya. I love the color of this one. So yeah, this is what everything should look like. I'm obsessed. So that's the color story for all the boxes. And now we're starting on the one all the way down there.
Not gonna make them dictate my life. So baby, if you get issues, yeah, don't you take him out of me. Honey, I think we lost the toe. Watch. Guess I'm not into you that much.
This is what it looks like after our initial planting. Still gotta water and everything, but I'll give y'all an update before the video is out of how everything has grown. But this is the initial look. Love our trailer. She's so cute. So over here on the porch area, we have these really pretty plants. They got petunias in here. There's a whole bunch in here. This one came from Lowe's. I think this was like $10 for all of this. How much was this? Or was it like $12? Oh, $16. These are $16, and I just love how they trail. They're gonna be so pretty. So we're gonna take out the trees from Christmas, and we're gonna plant these inside of there. Guys, so of course we are back outside again, and we are going to begin working on this little area right over here where we have our water fountain. But to be honest, we have been neglecting it ever since the flowers didn't grow before the wedding. But now I have a whole little plan for this area over here because it's such a cozy little nook. So much pretty shade is over here. So let me flip you guys around and tell you the plan. So the plan right over here is to clean out this circular garden bed where the little bird bath is, and I'm gonna put 2 rocking chairs right back here. We actually just went and got the rocking chairs, and we're just gonna clean up back here, and that's just gonna be this area. I'm also have some cute flowers to put down here, so let me show you guys everything now. Okay, y'all, check out our new rocking chairs. They're so cute, y'all. I've always wanted rocking chairs, you know, and our actual porch is too small for them, so we're gonna put them right over there. We might have to put them on some big pavers so they rock properly, but I got this pillow today from Home Depot as well as the cushion. This is what they look like, and then this is it all put together. So along with those over there in the little bird bath area, these are all the florals that we're gonna add. I got these from Home Depot. They were for $5, so I ended up getting $20 worth of annuals, and I'm gonna split these in between the little bed you guys just saw and where we planted the dogwood tree.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
Okay guys, so as y'all can see, Marcus is trying to get the ground down a little bit so that our stones will sit a little bit more level. We got these 2 paver stones from Home Depot yesterday, and the purpose of these is for our rocking chairs. While he's doing that, I'm gonna work on this area over here that has like so many leaves and stuff, because I wanna plant grass over here, at least try to. Also got a few more paver stones here because I want to create like a little pathway coming out of this gate, because really when you come out of that gate you step into nothing but mud. Okay guys, so these are the little paver stones I showed you before, and this is what they look like before they've been like put into the ground. So I thought this was like a really cute little walkway right here, and it also feels really natural. It's at like a little curve, it's kind of whimsy, so I love that about it.
Show me the car when you turn me on. Cool way you telling me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. 'Cause you love to have no problem. Don't be sleeping.
size. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden copper, no get to your clean and proper. Way I move, ain't no weekend lover. You gon' have me on your mind forever.
Good morning, you guys. I wanted to give y'all a little update on how the chairs look on top of the paver stones. They look pretty good, but yeah, it definitely rocks way better being on these pavers, that's for sure. They're the stones that Marcus put down, and these look pretty good as well. I actually have a path here now. It looks so good. So the plan for today is to get some rocks to go underneath here, underneath the gas part, and then I'm going to fill this area with grass seed and pine straw. Y'all, this morning I got a delivery of new pine topsoil, and then I also got some different grasses. So I got this clover grass seed mix. And over there by the rocking chair area is where I'm going to put this seed. This is called Dense Shade. The last thing I got was a grass for like the full sun.
I remember getting locked up in myself. That thing of loving was for everybody else. Lost and lonely, having hurt too many times. Gave up on hoping, thought I'd never get it right. It's all because of you. It's all because I have to tell you, baby, there's nothing more I need but you. It's you. There is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do. It's true. How we get lost in each other. Everything blurs when I'm with you. Us two.
Here we have our pine straw, and now let's just go ahead and spread it.
Boy, you bring me something that I never knew. A kind of happy I don't ever want to lose. And when I hear you coming knocking on my door, all I think is, baby, I need more. I need more. It's all because
Okay, y'all, so I got these paper soaps, and I'm looking at it now hoping that I got enough, but you guys see like the splatter up here on the actual white brick? It's because of the mud and stuff, so I'm gonna put some of this here.
there is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do. It's true. How we get lost in each other. Everything blurs when I'm with you.
a few more to go around it, like from here coming down. I just want a few more to go around it like that. So now, y'all, I'm about to put some dirt here, and then I'm about to put the seed down that I showed you guys earlier, so that way we can start getting this area prepped to grow grass. The sooner we get the seeds down, the sooner the grass will grow. So let's get to it.
We do. There is no one better. I take on the world 'cause my you do me right. Let me tell you, I have to tell you, baby, there's nothing more I need but you. It's you. There is no greater meaning. Nobody does the things you do. It's true. How we get lost in each other. Everything blurs when I'm with you. Us two. I wanna stay forever. Safe in your arms. I know that, babe, you do me right.
I've been thinking about you day and night. Ever since I saw you with your deep blue eyes, there was something that I couldn't deny. Something I just deep inside. Why do love like this?
Okay guys, so really quick off camera, I went ahead and I filled in this window box. Y'all saw that Marcus had to fix it, so these little boxes, they don't last forever. I think he did this, what, 3 or 4 years ago, and it began to crack, and then this part became separated from this part. Y'all saw how it was open, so he did his best to put it back together, and eventually I'll have to go in and paint the screws and whatnot so you can't tell that it's pieced together again. But this is what the box looks like. These flowers, compared to the ones in all the other boxes, look like they're struggling the most because they've been in their little pots for so long that hopefully some of the blooms do come back on these, but yeah, they're kind of tired. I need to show you some more updates that I'm making on this area. One of those being, I added a little bird feeder here. Y'all, it's already been twice since I've refilled this thing. The birds are eating it up, so we definitely need to do that in today's video. Update on the grass, y'all. It is growing. We have grass over here, and it looks really good. And I did buy this little table to go in between the 2 rocking chairs. The rocking chairs are inside right now because we had a very heavy rainstorm a few days ago, and I still need to seal them. Oh, and I got a new wreath. That's from Home Goods, no, At Home. But I also think I want to paint the shutters and paint the door. I know I'm painting the door, but the shutters, I don't know. I bought some new things to go on them. Okay guys, so we're inside for a little bit just to work on getting the door painted. This color is just, it's stunning, and it's gonna look even better once it is on the door and dried. This is what it looks like dry. Really pretty blue, Dutch tile blue, you know?
So I can show you what I'm gonna do. Alone, 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 alone with you, my love. Oh. Alone. Yeah. Alone. Why do love like this?
Update on the color, y'all. I'm pretty much, I love it. I'm in love, but I don't know if we are going to do the shutters this color too. I think I need to give it that second coat and see, and then, but regardless, I still want to add some hardware onto the shutters. So I'm gonna take you guys outside real quick so so I can show y'all the hardware I got. I went ahead off of Amazon and I got these decorative hinges and S-hooks. So it's supposed to extend the beauty of any exterior shutter. Fast and easy to install. It's maintenance free, and it is it's made out of a vinyl material. So these little things are meant to elevate. Oh, I love that already. It looks so darling. So you just drill these in, and it's meant to elevate the look of your shutter. You add this, I guess, like down here, right? Because if it was to close in this way, the hinge would have to be here, and this would have to be here to like keep it open. Yeah, this is definitely a detail that I know I want to add. All right guys, the door has dried, and now it is time to put the second coat on. At this angle, it pretty much looks the same as it did, but when I close it, hopefully y'all can see the difference. Can y'all tell that it's blue? I feel like this shade of blue is so perfect because it's not like in your face. It's kind of muted. It's kind of chill. It is blue. What color does it look like? See the door behind me? It looks so cute. Now that the door is this color, y'all, I feel like I need to make the shutters now. So this is what our walkway looks like right now. To be completely honest, y'all, we have let it go because we knew, like, as far as the weeds go, we knew that we were going to be getting it redone at some point this year before the summer rolled around. So it's finally happening in a few days. So what we're about to do right now is get all of these good pavers up because these can still be used for something. So this is one big part. I think you guys have seen this. Like, this is one big reason why we don't like our walkways, because the gravel flowed into like this weird part where it was half gravel, half grass, half concrete. So it's just a mess. When it rains, all the water flows down this slope. Here, as you can see, it's caved in. It creates a big puddle, and then it flows back into the carport, which is why our carport is completely muddy. And it's super muddy over here, so this is just a big problem. Y'all can see how elevated that piece of concrete is, and then it's elevated and cracked right here as well. I'm gonna give y'all some better clips once the cars are out of the way, but once it's all said and done, this will be a smooth path. See how big of a step down that is. It's so dangerous. And people, when they come, that's why all of these are knocked over. You can hardly see them because it's no clear way to get into this path unless you walk on the half grass, half concrete and get down here. So yeah, he's actually starting right now to take all of that up. It's gonna look so good, y'all. I'm getting so excited. Another area that we have to fix This is where we get a lot of rain from the neighbor's property. Well, we get a lot of mud from the neighbor's property flowing down. So we're putting a retaining wall all along here.
It's a sour taste in it. It's a sour taste. To be fooled again, honey. To be fooled again. Stole my heart and ripped it into pieces. Yes, you did. You know it's not the way I planned. No, it's not the way I want it. No, it's not the things I meant. Know that I'm not being honest. Not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Save the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws.
Okay guys, little update. This is what the area is looking like right now. It's crazy to see it like this. So yeah, wow, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, day 2 of all the concrete prep work is complete. Whoa, this is so amazing. It looks so cool. This is gonna be our new concrete pathway. And so y'all, what we did was, so he left the stones over here. We're gonna fill this in and it's gonna be more mulch. So that way the bushes can really just grow out. They can go crazy, you know what I mean? We keep cutting them back because they go over the walkway. Now the hydrangea will have more room. So it's just gonna look really good. Okay, and then over here, you guys, look at Marcus, y'all. He's trying to make sure no one drives over here.
Y'all got some traffic cones?
Those are your traffic cones?
Yeah.
So cute, baby. But yeah, you guys, this is what it's looking like. What? Oh my gosh, this looks amazing. Let me get in the light. This might be my thumbnail. Ding. Hold on.
Just stay.
Okay guys, it's been a few days and I wanted to give y'all an update. It's been at least a week, I'd say. This is the grass update. Y'all know I planted the shady grass over here. It's doing so well. My goodness, this area is almost all grassy. And I also planted a few clover seeds as well over here, y'all remember? So those are starting to pop up here as well. So once everything fills in, you guys, this is going to be very nice.
All our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws, all our flaws.
Finally don't get enough. Finally been riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give what others so say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it
How long
big.
is- Okay y'all, so I think I showed you guys the concrete, that it's all done. And so now what we're about to do is take all these stones away. My nephew's already started putting some in the wheelbarrow, and then we're gonna fill all of this in with dirt. Just in case I never showed you guys a good look at our walkway, here it is, y'all. I mean, like, this looks like $1,000,000. Truly, it looks like $1,000,000. All right, y'all, here is a halfway check mark update. Still got some more dirt to put in right there, but this is what it's looking like so far. All right, while my nephew's working on that, Marcus is basically creating a French drain system. So all the water, when it rains, it runs off this way. So he's putting rocks here to help with the erosion.
I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
Oh no, I gave my heart away. Went a bit too far. So wrong. Oh no.
Y'all can't tell me that this is just too charming, too cute. So I went ahead and I got this window done. I have 3 more sets of windows to do. It takes me about 15 minutes to do each window. And then I also need to go back and see if I'm gonna need a second coat of paint. I might hit it with one, just 2. But yeah, it's so cute.
So blinded, you got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost. Survived it. Now you're all gone, my friend. Oh Lord, I guess you fooled me once, but I ain't falling twice. All lies. Oh Lord, I ain't gonna run. My rise has just begun. I'll shine. Shame on you. Should have seen what you were like. Dangerously nice. You got me all lost. So blind. You got me all lost. Listen to my heart. I gotta be lost. Survive. Now you're all gone, my friend. Paper cups will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it, baby. Paper cups will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. Paper cups will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it. I never lost it, baby. Paper cups will come around. I'm still walking, I'm still proud. I never lost it.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better.
Oh my gosh, whose house is this? This is too cute. But in just a second, y'all, we're about to put up the decorative hinges and hooks that I showed you previously in this video at some point, and those are just going to help give the house a little bit more character and more charm. I'm really loving this. And while Marcus is taking care of this, I'm gonna be putting fresh pine straw down right here.
It's getting to me. It's never ending.
a lot of the pine straw down. I feel like it looks good. It's gonna blow off the excess because I was hoping to make this just a part 1 type thing. I think it's gonna have to be 2 parts since we still did not get to the garage. And for those of you who know and been watching me for a while, the garage is always like a mess. So the door needs to be painted in there. The floor needs to be pressure washed. Actually, the rest of our driveway needs to be pressure washed. Let me show y'all. It is like super muddy. So all of that has to be done. I want to put a reef in that area, some sort of storage solution in that area. It's a lot in there. Our carport, it's a lot that needs to be beautified. And I gotta paint the steps, but it's literally gonna rain tomorrow. This is just a little preview of what the shutter hardware will look like once it's all done. But y'all, we still have so much we need to do on this exterior. I thought I would be able to fit it all in one part, but absolutely not. I can't leave out the carport this time when it comes to getting the exterior all beautified. So stay tuned for part 2 and let me know what you think about everything down in the comments. Bye guys.